we also tackle the issues of leadership darkness triangle. Leaders are really under siege, or leadership is under siege, simply because leaders mostly are promoted because of their technical skills. But leadership itself requires someone not just to understand the machines, not just to understand, the technical nature of the job, but leadership is about bringing out the best in others. So bringing out the best in others simply means that you understand them. You are there to serve them. So as a leader, we need to understand the three main things that really put leadership into darkness. Hence I talk about leadership darkness triangle. So this triangle represents three things which are very important that you as a leader need to understand so that you can be able to fix your journey and your connection and your relationship with your team. And that is something that you cannot afford to miss as a leader.